Let's get you all the latest updates on the seat-sharing talks between the AIADMK and BJP allies in Tamil Nadu. So they're expected to finalize their agreement today. Sources say that the BJP will get 24 seats in the alliance, of which 3 is to be given to the smaller parties. Now, the smaller parties which will get these 3 seats include the Pudhiya Tamizhagam. You also have the Devanathan Yadav and Tamizhagam Makkal Munnetra Kazhagam. So the Saffron Party was earlier adamant on seeking 33 seats, but they've reportedly settled for 25 seats in these areas where they're confident of defeating the opposition DMK-led alliance in the state. The AIADMK earlier had finalized a seat-sharing agreement with the PMK by giving them 23 seats. Now, with regards to another NDA ally, the DMDK, the AIADMK is willing to provide 15 seats to the party. There's a big question mark on whether those talks will materialize because the DMDK is reportedly miffed with the AIADMK. Let's give you a sense of what the situation was back in 2016 in the assembly polls. Back then, the AIADMK and the BJP were not allies. So the AIADMK had contested on 227 seats, giving just 7 to its allies. The BJP decided to contest on all 234 seats on its own. It wasn't in an alliance with the AIADMK. Fast forward to 2021, where now the BJP is in alliance with the AIADMK. The BJP wants to contest on 33 seats. The AIADMK, however, is adamant that they will give only 24 seats, and that's where the stalemate continues, because the AIADMK's contention is that the BJP cannot get more seats than ally PMK. Let's take this across to Pramod Madhav, who's joining us live from Chennai. Pramod, good morning. There's been a lot of deadlock, really, over the seat-sharing talks between the BJP and the AIADMK. We're hearing now that there's been some sort of an agreement that's reached. What is the seat-sharing formula that's been decided upon?
Good morning, Akshita. So far, we've come to know that 24 seems to be the magic number. But even here, it seems like the kind of way some ego is also playing a big part, because they have made it very clear. BJP has made it very clear that they will not contest even a single seat lesser than what Congress party is going to contest in the state of Tamil Nadu. So when news broke out that the number is going to be 24 for Congress, the similar numbers started to show up here as well. But when we dug up a little deeper, we found out that 21 seats would be for BJP and 3 seats for minor parties, which you just mentioned. So that category is also being discussed currently, because there are almost 6 minor parties that is going to join hands with AIADMK currently, of which 3 could be provided seats through BJP. So that seems to be a very important aspect at this point. But for now, even yesterday, after the 4th round of talks, minor details are still being discussed currently, and we are expecting by either today, maximum by tomorrow, the seat sharing talks will be finished. Congress party also yesterday said, K.S. Alagiri, that they will finish sign the pact probably by tomorrow. So that seems to be the deadline, because after which they have to go with the scrutiny and file filing nominations and various other preparations.
Okay, so let's see what really comes of the latest round of talks. We're expecting some finalization today. Pramod, thank you for joining us with those details.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.